Look at this. If you think this is the iPhone 17 Pro, you're wrong, because somehow Honor managed to launch a flagship device that looks like the iPhone. But why? Don't ask me. You can ask Honor by leaving comments below, okay? But for now, let's deep dive. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So looking at the Honor 600 Pro design, apart from the iPhone resemblance, the build quality is actually very good. It has flat sides, signature rear camera arrangement, and an orange tone that is soothing to the eye. I think Honor just wants to start by looking like the iPhone and then introduce their camera technology to the audience. So let's see how good the camera is. The main camera is 200 megapixels with 1/1.4-inch sensor, which is the largest in its class. They also have this end-to-end AI re-mosaic technology which bins 16 pixels into one to create a large pixel surface to capture more light. So low light photos should look stunning. The Telephoto lens has 50 megapixels and can zoom all the way up to 120 times. If you remember the Honor 400 Pro, it could only go up to 50 times. But note that anything from 7 times onwards will be supported by AI Super Zoom 2.0. Honor has been working on their stabilization tech and it reaches CPA 6.5, which means it's the same level as the Honor Magic 8 Pro, so you can shoot anything with just one hand. Now the hero feature of this device is AI Image to Video 2.0. Now you can create any videos you want by uploading multiple photos, but you can also input text to customize the exact outcome you want. But if you are unsure of what to do, they also have included 14 templates for us to try. Now let me show you how it's done. Since we have started talking about AI, let me show you more AI features on the Honor 600 Pro. With AI Enhanced Night, we can zoom further from 0.6 times up to 10 times and still get stunning shots. There's also AI enhanced night portrait using the 50 megapixel front camera. Skin looks good, bokeh also looks natural. Now everyone can take nice selfies at night. If you want to edit moving photos, now you can too. Now you can remove objects in live photos and it will be reflected in all the frames. With live photos, you can also create collages with pop-up subjects. Now there's also one more AI feature that I think is super interesting. Now you can edit photos with your voice. Just say how you want to edit, color grade or tune the photo by telling the AI photo agent. Turn the trees to orange and add more flowers to the leaf. Add some burgers and pizza on the table near the cup. Wow. So those are some of the new and also exciting features on the Honor 600 Pro. It is also the first N series device that has the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. So if you're interested in the Honor 600 Pro, more info in the description below, okay? And if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this with your friends and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!